Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are well. Wish you all Ramadan Mubarak. Today I'm back with Ramadan special recipe which is everyone's favorite and it's really easy to cook. So the recipe I'm going to share with you today is lamb samosa. For lamb samosa the ingredients I'm using are these ready-made samosa sheets, 1 teaspoon of crushed chili, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon of dry coriander powder, 4 to 5 fresh green chillis. You can use chillis on your own preference and I will be blending these chillis before I add into mince. Half cup of cooking oil, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 3 chopped onions, 3 chopped potatoes, 1.5 kg baby lamb mince, 1 bunch of coriander, 1 big onion cut that in slices, and I will be using this onion to cook with mince. Add cooking oil into pan and then add 1 sliced onion until it goes brown. So in the meanwhile, I'm going to soak the potatoes into water and half teaspoon of salt. Mix it and add potatoes into water so it don't change the color. As you can see, the onion color has changed into light brown. At this point, I will be adding 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, mix it. One tablespoon of cumin seed, 1 tablespoon of cumin seed. Mix it. One tablespoon of salt. One teaspoon of crushed chilli, black pepper, ginger garlic paste is nicely cooked. Now let's add the mince. Mix it well. cook the mince for good 2 to 3 minutes and then cover it with the lid and let it cook for 20 to 25 minutes. Once the mince starts changing its color, as you can see, then you can just cover it with the lid and let it cook. "25 minutes later, as you can see, there's still a little bit of water in there. You need to dry this water and then cook it for another 15 minutes. Now at this point I'm gonna put the temperature on. 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, and mix. I will be adding 1 tablespoon of green chilli. You can add more chili on your own preference. You can check the salt, you can check the chili. If you think you need to add more, you can add more. So 15 minutes later, as you can see, mince looks nice and cooked. At this point I will be adding potatoes. I have drained out the potatoes and now I'm gonna add in, and I'm gonna cook the potatoes until they're ready, and then our samosa mixture is ready. Make sure you guys check salts and spice. If you need more, you can add it more anytime you want. Now I'm gonna cover this with the lid until the potatoes are ready. And once this mixture is cooled down, we're gonna add onions and coriander, and then we're gonna start filling. So a few hours later, now mince has cooled down. Now I'm going to add onions in there, 3 chopped onions, and some coriander. You can add peas, you can add mixed vegetables on your own preference. So now we're gonna mix it and it's ready. So for sealing the samosa sheets, I'm using this plain flour, 3 tablespoons, and just add some water and whisk it. Until it's nice and smooth. As you can see, it's nice and smooth. It's not too runny, it's not too thick, it's just perfect. So I'll cut the samosa sheets into 3 sections. As you can see, I'm using extra sealing mixture as I like to make sure they're sealed properly. So guys, lamb samosas are ready. I hope this video helped and made it easy for you. Definitely try this recipe. I'm sure you're gonna like it. Also, I want to say thank you to all my subscribers, especially to those who are giving me feedback. I really appreciate it, and it motivates me more to come back with more recipes for you. Just carry on giving me feedback, and inshallah I will see you guys soon. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channels. Allah Hafiz.
Okay.